Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a what I eat in the day. You all seem to really like these videos. I was kind of shocked at how last week's video had gone, and it's actually becoming a pretty popular video. And I also asked on my poll what you all wanted to see, and a lot of you all said what I eat in the day videos, so I'm going to make sure to bring those. I may bring it every week for you all, but if that gets to be too much and too much repetition, then make sure to let me know. But today we are going to be doing a what I eat in the day. So if you want to see what I'm going to have on this lovely yet gloomy Saturday, then make sure to just keep watching. So first things first, I want to start my Saturday off nice and relaxed. So I'm going to make some tea this morning. Oh, that's hot. But it's good. Okay, so I have my tea. I do want to say a special thank you to Teami for collaborating with me on this video. I am trying out their 30-day detox tea. It came with the tumbler, the skinny tea, and the colon tea. I am actually on day 5. I didn't realize it had been that many days. I'm on day 5. I'm going off of this detox calendar, as you can see, 5 over there. With the skinny tea, it helps boost your metabolism, and it also helps give you energy for the morning. So instead of having coffee this morning, I decided to have my tea. I'm actually, for the most of this week, I've been having the tea instead of coffee, and I felt perfectly fine. I've still felt energized, getting done what I need to get done. So I do love this tea, and it's actually a good flavor. I was a little bit hesitant. You all know I'm trying to stay away from like fads and stuff like that. So I kind of wanted to try it out for myself, because you know that I'm going to give a very, very honest review, and I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. But so far, I do like it. I do like the teas. I really like the morning skinny tea. It tastes really good. Sometimes I put lemon and honey with it. Sometimes I don't, because it really doesn't need anything. But I've really been enjoying this tea. If you want to do this 30-day detox with me alongside of my 90-day journey, then I will leave my link down below, and you can also use coupon code DANNYA25 to receive 25% off of any purchase that you make off of Teami, which is actually a really good deal. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. I did it again. Okay, so you all know that I'm also trying to increase my water intake. So I'm gonna get my water in for the day. I actually have already started a bottle. Here's my bottle that I've already started. This is the alkaline water with electrolytes from Trader Joe's. I actually really like this water. It tastes really good. It's really refreshing. It's also very large. So I know once I'm done with this, I've already had 50 ounces of water for the day. So I'm gonna try to get this done by no later than 12, so that I'm almost halfway through of my intake for the entire day. So I'm gonna drink this alongside with my tea, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time for breakfast. Okay, so I have my sweet potato porridge bowl. This is what it looks like. I know it sounds crazy to be eating sweet potatoes, especially when they're purple sweet potatoes, in the morning, but I just love that it fills me up. I prefer to have sweet potatoes in the morning. I can also eat them for dinner, but it just is that sweetness that I need. And then I also add like different toppings, kind of like a sweet potato porridge slash sweet potato oatmeal without a whole bunch of oats. So I really enjoy this, and it's of course a healthy meal. It's plant-based, a vegetable. So I'm going to eat this. I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. I did add some sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and then this granola that I got from Trader Joe's, and some cinnamon and a little bit of maple syrup just to add a little bit more sweetness, because I love eating like kind of sweet things in the morning. So I'm gonna have this and then I'll be back for lunch. Okay, it is lunchtime, and I actually went to the grocery store. Well, I went to Target, and somehow I ended up in the grocery store as well, because I did need a couple of things for when I wanted to cook for dinner. But I saw these. Of course, I live in New York, and I'm lucky enough to be in a place that is near quite a bit of like vegan and vegetarian either stores or regular grocery stores that have a lot of like different vegan and vegetarian options. So I picked these two up. I think I'm gonna try, I haven't had like pasta in a while. I think I'm gonna try the Alfredo. It's cauliflower Alfredo. It's vegan, soy free. Here, let me find the ingredients for you. Here are the ingredients for it. So I mean, nothing too crazy, fairly healthy, and it's just a way for me to have kind of like, I don't know, the pasta vibe again. So I'm going to heat this up. I believe there's 2 servings in this. One serving is, I keep getting mixed up where it is. I think one serving is 300, yeah, one serving is 300 calories. So I'm going to have a serving, which is just basically half of this. And I may make something on the side. I'm not really sure. I'm not super hungry, but I wanted to at least have something. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to heat this up in a separate bowl, and we're going to try it and see how it is. Okay. It smells really good. It smells like Alfredo. Let's try it. That is really good. Oh my gosh. This is really good. I'm actually really surprised. It tastes exactly like Alfredo. Like, actually, it tastes a little bit better than regular Alfredo. And there's no dairy or anything in this. I'm actually gonna eat the rest of this, and then I'll probably do some editing and a couple of things around the house, and then I'm gonna come back so that I can meal prep dinner. I'm really excited for dinner. So I'm gonna come back to meal prep for dinner.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
actually. It was very quick. I got an Instant Pot recently, so things are about to change. This is a game changer. The Instant Pot, it literally only took me 50 minutes to make this, and it is just so good. I know it's only like rice and beans technically, but it's really good. It has a lot of flavor. It's what I needed. It's like my comfort food for the week. But that's actually all I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like this video and also comment down below if you enjoyed this video or if you have any suggestions on meals that I can try out in this upcoming week. Definitely let me know. I would also like to give a special thank you to Teami for collaborating with me on this video. I will make sure to leave their link down below and also my coupon code for you to be able to use to receive 25% off of your purchase. Thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.